How to create AI video for free. Yes, in this video I'll be showing exactly how I was able to create this type of video for free. So you can see this is absolutely free. I didn't pay for anything. Make sure you like this video, comment I'm interested, and then subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification so whenever I post a new video you are most definitely going to see it. So let's get right into it. The first app you need to have, I know you have been hearing about ChatGPT. That's the first app you need to have. ChatGPT here is for your script writing. Yes, so you need ChatGPT. After ChatGPT, YouTube. This one I need to watch me here. YouTube. You can use YouTube to create AI video. So let's get right into it. So guys, all you need to do is to go to your ChatGPT. So when you click on your ChatGPT, what you are going to type in there is to type this prompt. I know you can create other type of video, but for this one I'll be creating a mini rescue videos. You can see it here, mini rescue video idea, or let me say video script. So you can see here is a 15 seconds viral mini rescue script for YouTube short. So guys, you can see the video have been created. Look at it. Guys, this is so amazing. So if you want to download it, you're just going to click this arrow here and you can see save to device and boom. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and then share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more.